Top of the morning. It's another day. It's April 25th. It's like 10 something in the morning. I am up. I've been up for like 2 hours. I've been trying to sleep in, but I guess 8 something is sleeping in for me. But I'm up. I am cleaning up my room and folding clothes. I'm about to get dressed. I haven't even brushed my teeth or washed my face yet. I just got up and read and prayed. Had a little time mainly with Layla and Dukes because London on the phone with her little friend. Anyways, yeah, and I'm just chilling. Kind of sinking in a little bit of gratitude and thankfulness this morning. And I don't know what we're doing today. I'm just gonna get dressed. I'm gonna get the kids dressed, and we're gonna go out and do something. Have lunch. Do something. They've been in the house all week. Of course, we ran out here and there, but mainly we've been in the house all week, and we haven't been doing much of anything. So that is my plan for today. Just get up, get dressed, feel cute, look cute, and go take them somewhere. And then I'm gonna come back, probably finish cleaning up like I always do. But yeah, just wanted to start a vlog. Hey y'all, we are on our way to the beach, but not quite yet. We're going to meet my sister first. We're going to get in the car with her, and then we're going to be headed to the beach. We're just a little ways from it, and we are excited. It low-key look like it's finna rain, but I pray it don't. Yes. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to go to a big giant pool. A big beach. So yeah, I'm excited. Lila, you doodle? Because it's stinking here. Okay, we're coming up to meet Auntie.
I'm so excited, Mom. I can't wait.
Me too.
I can't wait.
Look at me.
The destination is on your right. Dollar General.
Yes.
Arrived.
Mom.
Cause why the heck this dummy park like this?
Mom.
This better be an elderly person in here.
Mom. Mom.
What?
I need to get out.
Yeah, my nephew about to come get on my nerve. Real bad.
Huh? Oh, that's funny. Mom. Look at him. He think he cool.
He want to get on my nerves so bad.
Mom.
Like it's terrible.
Mom, I need more that was for.
Yo, it is 12:30 in the morning. I barely even pick up the camera today. I kind of forgot I was vlogging, but yeah, we're just getting home about 30 to 40 minutes ago from the beach. Washed the kids up immediately and got them in bed. The beach was so freaking fun. I recorded a few clips on my phone, but y'all, that joint was so fun. It wasn't scorching hot. The water wasn't cold. Granted, I don't go all the way inside the beach water, but I did like get on the edge and whatnot. But it was so fun. The vibes were everything. I just loved everything about it, so I want to do it again. Around that same time, we went at like 6:30 because it started storming like crazy. So I thought we wasn't gonna be able to go, but we waited until the storm passed over, so about an hour, and then we went. And there was so many people out there, but it wasn't like jam-packed and congested and just, it wasn't no nasty beach, anything like that. I loved it. So I cannot wait to go again. This time I would go, I wouldn't say a little more prepared, but I guess I would say a little more prepared. But other than that, yeah, everything was really nice. I am taking out this crochet in my head because it's dying to come out, as you can see. I was gonna try to leave it in for a day, for one more day, and take it out tomorrow after church. But I want to go to bed cute. I got me some new pajamas, and I want to be feeling myself all night. So I'm about to put my wig back on. I converted it into a side part, a deep side part this time. I hope the part isn't gonna be too thick, and I hope I don't have to pluck it, which I'm sure I do. I could not find my tweezer last night, so I was pulling strands, but I hope I don't have to pluck it too much, because I'm not going to, because I don't know how to really. But I'm gonna keep rambling. So I had the camera right here in front of me and I still forgot to record. That's how much I'm not used to this. But anyways, as you can see, I got my pajamas on and I'm trying to put this wig on. Heavy on just trying. I am not no wig guru, but I'm trying. And as you can see, the front is very thick, so she needs to be plucked. This is what I used to put my wigs on, because I can't do glue. And this is how I do it. I spray some on here, on the edge, and let it dry down some. Don't come too low for me, y'all. But I'm gonna do like 3 layers of this. I pull my edges back and dry them down with these two guys to be the spray and the gel. And because of this glue and stuff, it's the reason why, part of the reason why I don't do baby hairs. I don't know how to do baby hairs, but the glue makes it even worse. So I got the wig on, right? But she definitely needs to dry down. So I'm gonna put this wig band on. Got my naked left over here. Hey Sally girl, if you watching. And I was gonna try to do all of the things tonight, but nah. I'm gonna put this little band on. And I need to figure out, I had put some wax on it last night when I was trying to customize it, but I need to figure out how to get this to stay back and get this part to come up. I think I've got to put Gas to Be spray on it. And of course some more water and some mousse. And I need to pluck it some. It is Sunday morning, y'all, and my face is so bare. I feel like I really need makeup. Stop, it's hot. But maybe once I get done with my hair, it'll look cute. I'll put it on the gloves.
Oh, I made cookies.
Whoa. What is up?
Cookies?
No.
Mom, I was taking the time we didn't sit.
And we're all looking so cute this morning.
Here's all of my jewelry. Let me take it off so y'all can see. Here's my jewelry. Here's this jewelry. And then my mom bought me a ring. And I have a cross because Jesus died on the cross for us. And my adorable necklace. It has a heart on it.
Hi y'all, good afternoon. I was about to say good morning, but it's not even morning no more, it's afternoon very much. I am working. Oh shoot. I'm having an early work day, y'all. It's 12:28. I've been working since 11:30 and look. And look. I've been available for 58 minutes. It's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day, by the way. So, I had a feeling today was going to be a real slow day. Doctor's offices are closed. So that cuts off half of the calls already. And doctor's offices are closed. I think some pharmacies are closed. So like, ain't nobody calling in. This is normally how my night go. Like after 8 or 9 o'clock, I only have one, no more than 2 calls from 8 or 9 until 12. So, yep. I'm just chilling for right now. And so, being that I'm just sitting here, I'm like, I may as well go ahead and start this freaking wall, prepping this wall, so I can finish painting it. That big splatter of white paint right there is the wrong color. I started using the wrong color on that wall. And it's been like that for almost a year due to me being kind of lazy and I won't finish it in and out of being depressed, and I just really didn't care. It did not stop the money, so I was like, whatever. But now I'm like, girl, get up and paint that wall. I just bust a bump right here, don't mind me, or don't mind that. So I'm about to prep it, and I got all this hair stuff right here. Excuse me. And I bought this small little thing. Well, I got the hair stuff right there. Excuse me. I got the hair stuff right there because I was doing my hair yesterday, it went up, and then I bought this little shelf thingamabob to put my hair stuff in. I gotta get the other little thingy to go inside of it, but my hair stuff is gonna go in here. This is gonna be my salon station now. I had a bigger, a much bigger one, but I am very much a minimalist, and it made me feel very crowded. And besides that, I only use shampoo and conditioner and the stuff for locks and mousse, like, which is also for the locks, but all the stuff for weaves, the got to be, the wax, and the silk press stuff, y'all, I don't use that. I do max like 3 sleek ponytails a year, other than on myself. And that would be, I'd be lucky on that half. So like, I'm not with having stuff just to have it anymore. And once upon a time, I wanted to do like silk press and all of that. I might still get into it, I'm not sure, but for right now, that's not what we're doing, so we're not gonna have that stuff out. So, with that being said, I am going to get this room together. And I got some mirrors. I'm gonna show y'all later. I wanna like switch the wall decor around. I got some different canvases. I don't know if I wanna make this like a glamorous room or what. I don't know. We'll see. But, and I got another desk coming, which I am so excited about. I'm so excited about my new desk. It's a desk from Amazon that my sister is giving me. It is white and gold, and it's an L-shaped desk. Oh yeah, that was one of the other reasons why I let that big salon station go, because I'm getting a bigger desk, and like I did not want all of that in here. The L-shaped desk probably gonna go in this corner, but we'll see. Why I don't have it? Oh, and that chair need to go. I don't use that chair because I got a lot of meaty clients. Like, they're real thick in the hips. So, to not hurt anybody's feelings if they are self-conscious about their weight or their hips, I just use my little computer chair. But anyways, I'm rambling. To give y'all a little haul on how I'm gonna prep, I got some, what kind of tape is this called? Clean release tape to go on the, up where the pink is at on the ceiling. Because if you come on this side and look, I got the paint all on the ceiling. And I'm not trying to do that over there. So I got that, and I have some nail hole patch to patch up these holes in the wall. And I got paint, and I got sandpaper. So let me go on and get to getting. Start lining this wall up. Probably lining it and dusting it. So I could probably paint tomorrow. Or tonight. I mean, I don't know. I'm not doing anything tonight. I don't want to do no house stuff tomorrow because I'm working early today. And I just want to chill with the kids. I might take them to the pool. Something. We're going to do something tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. We prep. Excuse me, dudes. Excuse me. See, I could have, ma'am, babe. I could have just.
Whoa. You should know it. Mom, that literally scared me out of nowhere. Whoa, why is it like that? Like, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah.
Mom, don't mind me. Mom, I got you.
You got me or I got you?
Come on.
Where's the phone
Listen,
number?
stop. It's fireworks.
You've been scared too. Man, put that blanket in the house.
Mom, let's go.
Yo, why is it taking us so long just to be able to go
I know.
get some daggone
Let's
food?
go.
Stop, babe, stop.
Mom. We got this time.
Watch out.
Huh?
Go, Layla. Go. Yo, she's too scared to go.
Mom, let's go over there.
No, we're going over here.
Oh my god! What? You? Oh, let the dogs out. Oh, let the dogs out. Oh, let the dogs
I
out.
cannot wait to get
Oh, let the dogs out. Oh, let the dogs out. What are you yelling?
She's yelling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, what's this? That's so cool. Mom,
I'm finna take these little people to Five Below. We're going to Five Below and probably to their daddy job, and then might go to their grandma job to just get them out the house for the morning till it's time for me to go to work. They're doing a lot, but when aren't they? I mean, hey, really. Get off the floor. Oh, Layla, I forgot your shoes. Say hi. Layla, say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, come on.
Martin,
You guys,
what's your name?
we are here. And they ready to spend money. And I'm about to call their daddy so he can zell me or cash at me some extra because I feel like I'm gonna need it. Or because he should just send it. One of the two. One of the two. Just send it. I need it. So send it. So we about to go in here. I'm gonna let them get a few things and then we're gonna go home. We see your money. Put it back in your purse for you. I'll lose it when you walk out of here. We're gonna go in here. And I do not believe I'm gonna take my camera because I be getting overstimulated real fast. So I don't want to have to keep up with the camera and them. So yeah, let's just do this.
Several days later.
Good morning, you guys. It's May 30th. It's 8:28 in the morning. I am tired. I got my client at 9. And just washed my face, brush my teeth. And I am about to put some clothes on. I want to wake the kids up and go ahead and make them breakfast. So I'm going to do that real quick. And wait on my client to come. I got 2. I got one for some locks, some starter locks, and I got one for makeup. Excuse me. But when I tell y'all, I am freaking tired. I am. But anywho, I just wanted to come open the vlog for today, which today is probably going to be my last day. I don't even know how much footage I got. I don't believe the footage is really of quality. I'm trying to get back into the hang of vlogging and producing content and stuff. So, I mean, we'll see. I'm trying. Otherwise, yeah, I'll hit y'all up a little later. Layla, stop! No, thank you. Huh? Huh?